Alright, welcome back to TV34 Multimedia Productions. This is Tony. I'm slowly getting used to this drone thing that I've been playing around with. And I just want to talk a little bit about the two drones that I have. The first one is the Snaptane, which is the one that I really like. And one of the reasons why I like it is because it has an input where I can put an SD card inside the drone itself. And I like that because I can just take the card out, download it on the files on my computer, and it's really easy. A lot of the newer drones, like this other one that I have here, this one doesn't have that. It directly saves the files to your cell phone. So in essence, what you have to do is save copy the files from your cell phone or download them from your cell phone to your computer so you can download and edit the files. What I'd like to do is merge the two if I could. This particular one here, I really like it because it has brushless motors. It has a camera that I can move the angle on it up and down. It has two cameras on it. One, the front camera, and then it has a camera underneath where I can do an overhead shot. And again, this camera here in the front, I can move it up and down, so I really like that. Now, if I could merge this particular one, or just take this particular drone here and just add a piece where I can input the memory card like I have on the Snaptane. If I could put a memory card to this one, that would be perfect. I've been playing around a little bit more with it and getting used to learning how to use it because I'm not really good at playing video games, so I have to really get used to using the remote control and the toggles and everything. But I'm getting the hang of it. As long as I take my time and use it really nice and slow, I can do what I want to do. So I'm really liking the results that I'm getting. But that's what I wanted to talk about. If I could just merge these two. So for you guys that are watching this video, if you know of a particular drone camera that has a SD card input, that's what I'm looking for, because the Snaptane is no longer available. And I'm trying to just look to see if I can find one that's less than $100 that does the capabilities that I'm looking for, especially has an input for the SD card. That's the main thing that I like to have. What I've got with the Snaptane is it has that adapter or an input where I can just put the SD card right into the drone itself, and then I can just record files directly to the SD card, and I can take it out, download it, and do whatever I want to do as far as editing. So if you know of any particular brand that does that has that SD card input, I'd love to get some feedback on it and see what you think. Again, if I could just merge these two together, I think I would have an awesome deal. If I could just combine the two of these, especially with the effects that this one does, and with this one being able to save all your files to the memory card, that would be a nice combination if I could use them like that together. So look around if you know something, or if you find someone or find one that has that particular type of setup that I'm looking for. Drop me a line, let me know what you think. I'm going to show you some video footage that I use with the newer drones that I've been playing around with, and let me know what you think. So playing around with it. Again, this one has two cameras on it, and then the camera has an adapter where I can move it up and down so I can get different angles, or I can use the front camera, or I can use the body camera to get an overhead shot. Really good drone, not that expensive, lightweight, works really good. So let me know what you guys think. Again, if you can find a combination that works like that, especially being able to use that SD card on the drone itself, I'd like to take a look around and see what they have and see what I can do. So thanks again for watching TV34 Multimedia Productions, and stay tuned to some stuff that we're going to be playing with the drone and see what we can try to come up with, get some footage, some extra B-roll footage while we're fishing and different things like that. Stay tuned, and we'll talk to you again soon, and thanks for watching.